back to the Trillionaire Bish trading channel. We are up tonight. We are catching the end of the Australia session, the beginning of Tokyo and London. Let's see how long these trades last. Right now, we are looking at a sale for the NASDAQ 100. Our TP should be 873. Let's see if our indicators let us get there or if it's just a pullback. What more appropriate song than Get Money to be getting money to NASDAQ tonight?
Nice soundtrack for trading tonight.
Right? Get money. I think that I should just go through and make a whole playlist about money every time we trade.
Yeah, you should.
Like every song is all about money. That's it. The money playlist every time.
Shit, that's how my playlists are set up. Man, you gotta have them ready to go joints.
Right, we gotta have that manifestation.
Ain't no searching for.
Listen to manifestation music. Get money while we get money. I wonder what they gonna play next. They should play All About the Benjamin. Okay, we 6 pips away. Come on. Go ahead, drop our 6 pips. Let's go. 5.
Show my screen, but no, I'm gonna keep taking him.
Want me to share it? I mean, you can share it.
Hold on, what we looking like? Yeah, I thought. Oh, no, you good. Share my screen here. Where we at? Screen number.
I gotta stop.
No, we can share simultaneously.
Oh, okay.
I got it set for 2 people can do it at the same time. I'm not sure how it works. We're finna find out. But what I want to share with y'all was this is the wrong thing here. Hold on. While the music was playing there, we had a nice soundtrack going. Where is what I want to share? I want to go and share this right here. Sure why it won't show my screen here. What happened to the soundtrack?
Huh?
Oh, there we go.
You don't hear it?
Yeah, I hear it.
So buttery brown and tantalizing. You would have thought I needed help from this feeling that I felt. So shook, I had to catch my breath.
I don't know if y'all can see the current profits that we're running.
No, I can't see anything. Maybe I need to change my view.
Maybe it's not sharing a proper screen.
I just see the background.
Okay, I'm picking the screen now. All right, it should show my
There we go. We see it now.
Okay, it's not popping up. Okay, so going back to what she was showing you on her screen there, if you see that in that current sale, where we at right here. But
It's
actually,
blurry.
it's blurry.
Yep.
Okay. All right. I just ended it. I'll have to do it on another screen.
Okay.
What happened with your screen?
I just stopped sharing so you can do it because you were saying as you were sharing, I couldn't see it.
Oh, that's why you couldn't see it. All right. All right. You good. You can put your screen back up. I just want to show the people actual trades and dollars in motion.
Okay.
Yeah, never mind those negatives. We're gonna get ourselves up out of that. But I want to show y'all that current sale, which is showing you right here on the screen. I was just in that sale, and you see I just pulled the $41, $42.
And how long did it take us? Tell them how long it took.
I think I was in there for about 5 or 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
I got
5 or
in.
10 minutes and you made $40. That's more than what people make in an hour, ain't it?
Yes, it is.
Okay, that's all I wanted to know.
Right, it's like the goddamn probably 10 candles ago when we saw the downtrend.
Right, the downtrend happened right here at 11:25, and at 11:34. I'm sorry, 11:35. It was already $40 in profit. So I mean, that's a good one. There we go.
Okay. And
we got 2 more pips, 3 more pips away from our TP.
Can you show them that again? Can you move back your screen again?
You know what? I could do one better. I can make this the 4-1. So we in the minute chart, and this is where he got in right here where the trend line started.
You see what she's saying?
This is where we took the entrance into the trade. Right here with the number 2 popped up, and it went straight down, followed our trend line all the way down to our TP 873. We 2 pips away from this number here, 873.
And can you break it down why we took that trade?
So we took this trade because it aligned with our indicators. We had the trend line, which was red, that said down. We had the candles were underneath the EMA. Whenever they're underneath the EMA, this is the exponential moving average. We're going to be in a sale. And then we had a dot at the bottom. Let me see. Hold on, I'm sorry. Let me just make it bigger so you guys can see it. Give me 1 sec.
And if you notice that she's breaking that down, that we saw there was a candle forming a wick actually past the line before I got into the trade. So then they gave me a pretty much safe indication that it was time to get into that sale. And you see, we just letting it ride. We're letting it ride. I'm not in the current sale right now because there's some retraction going on.
Too much pullback action going on right now.
Exactly. So we're gonna wait and watch that candle, but I'm gonna let Trillionaire take it back over from here.
Okay. So right now, if you look at the chart, we didn't actually hit the 73. We could actually just be doing a pullback and going down lower. But what we'll do right now is if we're still in the sale, we'll exit the trade right here just to be safe because we want to secure the profit that we've already made. We don't want to give the market back anything. We don't want to give our brokers back anything. They're rich enough. We want to keep everything in our pockets. So like I said, once price hit here and didn't all hit the take profit all of the way, we really jumped out and just waited for the retrace to happen to see if this is going to actually turn around and reverse or if it's going to continue to go. The cool thing about it is that this trend line has numbers on it. So it's telling us how long to stay into the trade. So a 2 usually doesn't go too long, but it goes long enough to create some profit, right? The higher the number, the higher the trade, the longer the trend.
Looking like we got about time for a reversal here.
Right. It don't want to hit this 7-3. Let's see. We just gotta wait. So guys, understand that the market sometimes it's some waiting, sometimes it moves fast. It just varies, but the indicators are always right and they always tell us where we're going and what we should expect. So we have to pay attention to them. That's it. That's all. Follow directions. Okay. So this candle right here, guys, when you have a small middle, which is called the body, you have a top wick and a bottom wick, that's called the doji candle. And this is an indication that price is getting ready to turn around. So usually when we see candles that look like this, price is getting ready to turn around and go the other way. So we just wait a second just to be sure for confirmation, because sometimes it'll be a false candle. There we go. There's a
There we
buy
go.
right there in our face.
What did I just say? I said felt like it was about to turn
I'm about to
around.
buy. You sure did. He's like,
Yeah.
we do for a buy.
This is what we do. We know this stuff. This is great. This is great. And
You guys are trading live with us right now, seeing everything we see in the trades, we in the trades.
No matter what kind of work your team does, Asana can help manage it. From project intake to campaign management.
All right, come on now, show us what you got. There we go. All right, we are moving. So now we got another indicator that's saying we're going up, and our TP should be somewhere around here, about 887. So let's see, let's get there. You know what? This one didn't make it all the way to 73. It made it to 75. So let's take this one to 885 instead of 887. And let's see what happens. Let's see what's happening on the 5 minute. Check the higher time frames, guys. It's the 5 minute. This wick on us, let me show you what I'm talking about. This wick here on a 5 minute candle is shorter than the previous wick. So that's usually an indication that price is getting ready to turn. If you can see, like, the bottom is here and this bottom is here, so that means we're making a higher low. So that means price is getting ready to make it turn. And if you see it's turning right before our eyes, before we did not have a top wick, now we do. So that means price is going up, right? You see it going right before your eyes. The top wick is getting bigger. This number is increasing. Okay, we at 880. Let's watch it go up. So one of the reasons, guys, you'll see me switching back from time frames is just to make sure that all the time frames are doing what they say they're doing. I don't want one time frame to be off significantly by a large portion than the others. So that means if on one time frame all of the candles are under, and then on a different time frame they all over, like that would mean they're not in confluence. So we don't want to take this trade. We want to wait until all time frames are in confluence. They all should look the same. So if a candle is red on the 1 hour, it should be red on the 30 minute, the 15 minute, the 5 minute, and the 1 minute. That's the word. We want everything to be in confluence or alignment. They both mean the exact same thing. Guys, if you are interested, I actually teach this. Trillionaire Bish trading is actually a classroom. It's actually a platform. I've developed a 5 point trading system that you cannot lose on. It's so easy. A kid can do it. Feel free to reach out to me, to DM me, to hit me on social media, Trillionaire Bish on Instagram, Trillionaires on TikTok, ensconsultations.com. That's I'm here. I want everybody to win. I want everybody to make some money. So let's get this money.
We want to
If
say
you look
thank
at
you,
the
everybody
5
that's
minute,
watching.
I'm sorry, go ahead, cuz.
I just want to thank everybody that's watching right now. We'll see you. We see you all.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for believing us. And thank you for just watching our trading journey. Join us if you like. As you can see, the 5 minute is this line under here is getting ready to turn to let us know it's selling. I'm sorry, it's changing from a sell to a buy. That's what we want. We just watch and wait. Yes, trading is a lot of watching and waiting, but I promise you, while you're waiting, you're making money. So you can be washing dishes, making money. You watching TV, doing your laundry, and just have your phone in your hand, checking your trades to make sure that they're doing what they're supposed to do. Yeah, you can literally turn your phone into an ATM, guys. Literally. One of the things that you have to know in Forex is that price never goes completely in one direction. So even though we got to take profit of 887, price will never move straight up or straight down. If you notice on this trend, this was a sell trend that started at 1116 and price went down. On the contrary, it went down some, came up some, down some, came up some, down, came up, down, up, down, down, up, pull back a little bit, down some more, back down, up, down, then back up. So nothing is ever on a straight line. So don't ever get frustrated if you are seeing this in the market. Like, oh my God, we're supposed to be going to this number. Why isn't it going there yet? Just give it a second. Be patient. You have to remove your emotions from trading. You have to be patient and just let it do what it's supposed to do. If your indicators are telling you it's going one way, everything is aligned. You have followed the rules. The trade is going to do exactly what it says. A pullback is just that. It's a pullback. In technical terms, whatever happens on the left has to happen on the right. Okay, so let's use this little area. So price went up on the left, right? So what it has to do is it has to go back down on the right to close these open orders, and then it'll take another turn and go back up to the take profit. Okay. So we just have to come down, close some orders, and then it should be turning back around to hit this TP momentarily. Let's watch and see, and let's hope it doesn't not make me look bad. Hopefully, Nasty Nas is not being nasty to us right now. Okay. Because sometimes everything can line up, you can do everything right, and then the market will still go the wrong way. So, I mean, it doesn't happen often. On the contrary, it does happen. Okay. Nothing is 100%. On the contrary, we can get you about 98%.
And we do offer signals for those that's interested, whatever stock you trade and
So signals we give out 3 trades a day. 5 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We give take profits and stop losses. We trade gold, silver, NAS, US 30, and Bitcoin. And if enough people ask for another currency pair, we'll be sure to add it. But I just can't do like a different pair for each individual person in class because it will become too much work. The signals are $150 a month. So if you don't want to figure it out on your own, if you just want to know when to buy and sell, we offer that as well. All right, guys, and just what I said. I'm sorry.
We do offer individual coaching sessions for those that's interested in the other markets.
All right, guys, and just like the trade, what I said, we came back to retrace for a little bit to close what happened on the left, and we're back up going to, we should be hitting 887 soon. Okay, so let's just watch it and see.
I'm going to change the world.
So one of the things that we like about, well, I like about trading is indicators. The reason that I like using indicators is because when I first learned to trade, there were a lot of things to watch. You had to watch the moving averages, watch the volume, watch the trend, watch the candle color, watch this, watch that. And I know for me, I would always forget what I was watching. I would forget what I was watching and get confused, or I would think that I had everything lined up right perfectly for the trade, get in the trade, and the trade still goes wrong. And then when I'm looking at it, trying to analyze why I went wrong, it will be one thing that I forgot. So we created a 5-point system that ensures that you won't forget anything, right? So this way that you'll never be negative on the trade. As long as you are doing your checklist from the hourly time frame on down to the minute time frame, you should never go wrong. Okay. And at this point, you're waiting for the trades to come to you to align with your signals, and then you enter and make the money.
Oops. You see that?
I see it going right back up to what we said, right? Jumping, just like we said. Right there, live time, real time, right before our eyes. Everything that I just said happened. We moved up, we pulled back, and now we went higher than the candle before on our way to 887. Look at that. Is that not beautiful, cousin?
Yes, it is. Look at that.
Look at that. Right there in our faces, guys, making this money.
I hope you're trading along with us, getting in this buy.
I hope so. Don't let me get all this money without you. It's enough for us to share.
We're going to be going live a few days a week. Come join us. You're seeing it right here live and direct. Hit us in the comments, DM us for information for your one-on-one session. We do group session, class sessions also, so bring a couple of your friends with you.
Uh-oh. Did we hit it, cuz? We right there?
Yeah.
And one tip away.
I'm not sure if she meant
no, we right
earlier.
there. 887. 887 is here. 887. There we go.
That is right there.
There it is, right in your faces. Right there.
TP1.
TP1 live, right here, right with you guys. That was 2 TPs here. What did we hit the one at the bottom and then this one, didn't we?
I'm sure we hit that top one.
You know what? We were 2 pips away from the sale. We didn't hit that one. 2 pips away. But we saw clear as day that we hit 887 and it's there again. Right there. TP.
What time is it? 11:50?
54, yep.
Damn.
So that means we got in at 11:40 and 14 minutes later we hit our TP. And we still going up higher. Look at that.
Not a bad day's work.
Not at all. And all we did was listen to some music. Oh man, this is beautiful. Thank you guys for joining us. Give us a shout out. Let us know your name, where you from, where you watching from, where you listening from.
Let us know. Join the live chat. The live chat is open. Wow, it's steady going.
It is. Making me look good, Nas. You're not nasty today. You're not nasty today.
2 more candles, I'm in profit.
From the negative that you was in?
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
By
Let's go. You just said you was gonna get it back though, didn't you?
yeah.
You said that on the live. You recorded these, but I'm gonna get it back. Don't worry about the negative. I heard you. I heard you say it.
Like 3 dirt bikes.
You guys see the size of those candles.
Memories. A panoramic 24-inch display.
Yeah,
And
You said see the size of the candles. There we go. Make them bigger so they can see.
Yeah. You see what she's doing there? You do have the options of making these candles bigger, smaller, to your liking.
Varies based on accessories, vehicle configuration. See label on door jam.
I'm so sorry for the commercials, guys. My apologies. I haven't figured out how to get the Apple Music on my computer yet. I'll try. Don't worry. It'll be fixed next time.
So we got you covered.
All right.
President's car is now turning onto Elm Street, and it will be only a matter of minutes before he arrives at
So usually when we hit a TP, guys, we have something that's called a pullback. And if you remember what I said before, everything that's done on the left has to be done on the right. So since we came up this far, we have to pull back some, which is about half, 50%. So we should pull back to about here and then go back up. I could be wrong. I could be right. Let's just see.
I'll see. We had our retraction dot just disappeared, so maybe he's gonna run up another minute or so.
Okay. And then fall. Yep.
Yeah, because I saw a retraction dot disappear.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Put that by. The good thing is we hit our TP, so we're not even worried about this right now. We're just sitting and waiting because this area becomes tricky because you know it's getting ready to sell, right? Because we overbought right here. We hit the A line. So we know it's getting ready to sell. We just don't know when, right? So you don't want to be in this area right here. You just want to wait until we have a clear indication of what price is going to do. This way you won't lose money. Uh-oh, there we go. We up again.
Very on. Good job. Good job. See all those green candles? Didn't she call it? Didn't she call it before it happened?
Now, if we break this candle right here, we should be in a good buy. If not, we're going to retrace. So let's see. See if we break that. Okay, we should be continuously buying. We broke that candle.
push-ups some more. All right. All right, we want to thank everybody for joining us tonight on this live stream. Hope you learned some things tonight. We're gonna let Trillionaire end the night out with the last word.
Guys, thank you for joining us. I look forward to hearing from you, each and every one of you, from seeing you on the live again. I just want to be a part of your trading journey and ensure that you become the next millionaire. Thank you guys for joining me and have a wonderful evening.